Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Lashes and Kisses. I look kind of, I don't really have a lot of makeup on today. It was 34 degrees outside and I was kind of cleaning the house, doing things like in and out, so forgive my appearance, but there's always time to look like summery, right? Hence why I look like summer today. So I just thought I'd throw that out there, but there's always time for LipSense, right? Love it. I am wearing Bombshell and glitter gloss. But anyway, so I wanted to hop on and show you guys one of my latest Amazon purchases. So I love Amazon, like I buy from Amazon all the time. And I found something that is just super awesome. It is a makeup mirror. So let me just kind of show you guys this, okay? So I swear everybody needs this. It was like $22, that's it. But check this out. Like, how cool is that, okay? So it's just nice to have, because I don't know about you, but we have one bathroom upstairs. Yes, we have a bathroom downstairs and then a bathroom in the basement too, but I'm not going to go to the basement to do my makeup every morning. You know, I like to get ready, have a shower, get ready in the same bathroom, right? But other people need the bathroom sometimes, and you know, it can take a little bit of time to do your makeup, to you know, put on your cleanser, toner, moisturizer, the whole works. So what I'm doing now, which is actually easier for me, like I just started doing this like a month ago, is I keep my makeup in my office and I keep this in my office. So I can get ready, do my makeup in my office. But sometimes when I'm getting ready, there's just not enough light coming through the window. I do have a ring light actually that I should just be using anyway. But this has just been so much fun because it has a light, okay? So I'll just kind of show you guys how it looks like on the back. Sorry, there's my webcam. Here we go. So let me just kind of turn on the light for you guys, okay? So you can change the settings, one. So it's really hard to tell because like there's a light here and you guys can't really tell, but you can change the settings. So if you hold it, you notice how the lights aren't as bright, and then turn it off again and then turn it on again and it's nice and bright, and then hold it and then you can change it so it's brighter, so it's not as bright, and this moves too. So if for some reason you want to put it away, there you go. If you want to open it, you can open it. There's just like, it's just so nice. Like I have to clean it now, but how cool is this, say? And I like how there's like a little area here. Obviously it's a mess right now. Sorry, but I do use it, so that's why. And the handle, whoops, as I break it, right? No, it's not broken, but whoops, because I'm throwing things everywhere. This is real life, you guys, okay? This is like YouTube real life as I'm breaking things. Sorry, guys, let me just put this on back for a second. What I wanted to show you guys was this thing moves. See that? So you can move it up, you can move it down. How handy is this? So if you are putting this on the table for your lives, if you're doing a makeup tutorial, just move it, which you guys can't see, sorry, but you can put it on the table. But then let's say you are doing a makeup tutorial, turn on the light and then just move it up like that, and then you can do your makeup that way. So I quite love it. It is so much fun. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom if you would like to check it out. It's not expensive, and I think like every lady who puts on makeup should have this, okay? Every teenager who puts on makeup should have this. It was just a really cool Amazon find. So if you guys have questions, let me know, and thank you so much for watching.